Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Wait for only 1 minute. People are joining. Shall I? Okay. Yeah, we have done it for January. Likewise, we can create it for February is equals to sum ifs, sum range this time February, comma, criteria is region, comma, it should be in north. And I'll pull this again. Similarly, sum ifs, criteria range is a total is supposed to be March. Criteria is again region, comma, north. And we can pull this. I missed something. B. Supposed to get some data. Okay, is equals to sum ifs. Okay, now again I'll take it for this is January. This is February. This is March. Of selected, we can say offset into bracket from region, comma, first row, comma, second column. Getting the data of the north. Again is equals to offset into bracket from region, first row, from third column. Okay. Now look at it. If I change region to second, it changes south and its respective things are there. Now what I'll do is I'll try to draw a graph for it. Insert a graph. I'm going with the bar graph for our easy understanding. Keep it over here. So if I change to second region, third region, it automatically changes to east, and so on and so on. Okay, now after doing a whole lot of this calculation and gamut of it, what I'll do is I'll make a picture of this. I'll put the picture of this and I'll put it in the dashboard here. Okay, now I need some tool to capture the north, south, east, west. To do this, I'll go for developer, insert me, I'll get format controls. That is, I'm going to use combo box. I'll put it over here. Go to properties, set the values for this input. Okay, what is the input for this? I'll go to sheet and give all these months. Output of that, whichever I'm going to click, that I'm going to put it over here. Okay, in this cell. I'm going to click on OK. Now my menu is ready. Now this sheet will be given to the end user. He will click on north. He will get the north details. If you click on south, he will get a south details. If you click on west, you will going to get a west details and so on. Now you can do a lot of calculation, corrections over here, whatever you want. Okay, say for example, you don't want to have any background color as such. Change the color. For example, I'll put a yellow color over here. Go to dashboard, it is affected. Go to dashboard, it is affected. Okay, so this is how exactly dashboards are working. I've done it in a very simple way. Okay, yesterday we had discussed a lot on that. Okay, so this is how exactly you can do a lot of corrections in that. Okay, say for example, I'll add data labels to this. It appears over here, and this is available to the end user automatically. Okay, you want to change the font size, font color, all that is available. You can change it. You can change that. I hope in a quick glimpse, the dashboard also revisited. Yeah, Shakti or otherwise, anybody have any queries, please? Yeah, perfect. Any other queries? Thank you, Shakti. Yeah. Now, I'm going to share, the data is shared yesterday. I'm going to share a few more sheets for you people for the practice purpose. Probably I'll going to pose some questions also. Please do practice on that. If I give because the end user has to tell, okay, end user has to tell what is that he wanted. Okay, it is going to be a industrial going to tell you what is that their requirement is, how exactly dashboard, because dashboard will differ. Okay, it is not a single dashboard will be there. There are multiple dashboards will be there. Okay, depending on what is their requirement, we keep on doing the working part of it. This whole lot of a rubbish calculation will not be shown to them. This we can hide it. Okay, how will you hide it? Right click on the sheet and hide it straight away. Now this is the only thing is given to him. Okay, he will not understand that calculation part. He will only have sheet. Now somebody asked me yesterday, probably Sanjana or somebody asked, will this work on the Google Sheets? Absolutely, it works. You can give it to them on the Google Sheet. It will be more beautiful because data can be connected from anywhere to anywhere, any part of the world. Yeah, more queries, please. I'm waiting for any queries. Meanwhile, I'll just recall your memory. We started with the conditional formatting advanced. That is how exactly we can choose a single sheet. Okay, we wanted to find it on top sales. below average sales, all that. We understood the data naming, how exactly it can be done in the formulas. We have created the tables. Then we went to next day with the lookup formulas with the sample data. Okay, and then exactly we are done with the exact matching as well as appropriate matching, approximate matching, depending on where it is required. We then given a hint about sum ifs and count if. Okay, again revisited with the data naming. Next day it was everybody has appreciated slicers, slicers with the tables, slicers with the pivot tables, and how exactly relations can be set between different tables. Okay, we have understood how exactly the pivot tables can be used as a data analyzer. Okay, then in the analyzer data tables along with the slicer, we have something called as a insert timeline also. If your data is having a date kind of a thing, I can do it monthly, yearly, quarterly, and I can do wonderful results out of it. Okay, then we came to DB formulas, D sum, D count, D average, and all. Then learning all these things, can I create a dashboard? Okay, can I create a dashboard? That's what exactly discussed. And today we are done with another important one, how to protect the sheet, how to scenarios can be created out of it. Multiple scenarios can be done, and we can work on the requirement of the industry. So I hope the week long sessions were useful for you. To start with, the things which I brought it as a discussion, and believe you are going to be the best database analysts. Okay, you can be business analyst and you can do wonderful career ahead. Yeah, if you can give me one as you appreciate all those sessions, and yes, the class plus will be there with you for 1 full year. Okay, after 1 year, if we continue, it will going to be there with you. Okay, so let us see how exactly we can take it further. Okay, yesterday I told you also, very soon you are going to receive the e-certificate with your name. Okay, and we can have wonderful queries if at all. Yeah, my email ID, I'm going to share it over here. Anybody have any queries, you can ask me on that. Yeah, it's in front of you, you can take it. Yeah, please share your views, and we'll close the sessions of the advanced Excel discussions. Thank you, Purnima, Akash, Sanjana, Shakti. It's a wonderful working with you people. We started on the 5th of April, and thank you very much for joining, and wonderful career ahead. Thank you very much, and I'll sign off from this particular discussion. Thank you very much. Okay, good night and God bless you. Do well in your career. Shall I close? Yeah, you can share this to your colleagues, friends, and you can very well enjoy the Excel. Okay.